I wonder that you should still be talking, sir. Nobody marks you.
What, my dear Lady Disdained, are you yet living?
I wonder that Disdain should die when she hath such meat food defeated as thyself.
Only you excepted.
I thank God in my cold blood I'm of that humor. I had rather hear my dog bark at a crow than this man swear he loves me.
God, keep your ladyship still in that mind. You are a rare pair, teacher.
A bird of my tongue is better than a beast of yours.
Would my horse have the speed of your tongue. But keep your way in God's name. I have done.
You always end with a jade's trick. I know you of old.
Farewell, dear love, since thou wilt needs be gone. Mine eyes do show my life is almost gone.
Nay, you will never die, so long as you can spy. There be many more, though that she do go. There be many more, I fear not. Why then let her go, I care not.
Farewell, farewell, since this I know is true. I will not spend more time being wooed by you. But will ye sing elsewhere, if I may find love there? Shall I bid him go? Shall you bid him go? What then if I do? What then if you do? Shall I bid him go and spare not? Oh no, 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 I dare not. 10,000 times farewell.
Yet stay a while, sweet kiss me once, sweet kisses time beguile. I have no power to move, how now am I in love? Well, that needs be gone.
I must needs be gone.
All and all is
All and all is
gone.
gone.
Well, that needs be gone.
Oh, Heidi.
Nay, stay and no more deny me.
Farewell, adieu, you seem both to depart.
Why bid adieu to her that holds my heart? But seeing I must lose thy love which I did choose, go thy ways for me.
Go thy ways for
since
me.
It may not be.
Since it may not be.
Go thy ways for me.
Go either.
Go but of where I may come thither. What shall I do? My love is now departed. She is not fair, as she is cruel-hearted. She will not be entreated with prayers oft repeated. If she come no more, shall I die therefore? If she come no more, what care? Fate, let her go or come or tarry.